Have you ever been deep into coding only to hit a wall with a frustrating bug? It can be incredibly annoying, right? If you're facing issues with Socket.io in your Electron application, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of why your app can receive messages but not emit them. I totally get it. You're working hard on your Electron app, and everything seems to be going well until you realize that your app can receive messages, but just won't emit anything. It's a common issue, and you're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. One user recently asked, "Why can my Electron app receive messages but not emit them?" They shared their code snippets for both the client and server sides, and it seems like everything is set up correctly. Sound familiar? If you're in the same boat, let's explore this together. So, what could be going wrong here? The issue might stem from how the Socket.io connection is established or how events are being handled. We'll break it down step by step to help you pinpoint the problem. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches when working with Socket.io. To address the issue of the Electron application not emitting messages, the user should first check the connection to the Socket.io server. It's important to ensure that the connection is established before attempting to emit any events. Next, the user should verify that the server is correctly set up to listen for emitted events. The server must have the appropriate event listeners in place to handle the messages sent from the client. The user should also check for any potential errors in the client-side code. Adding error handling can help identify if there are issues when trying to emit events. Lastly, the user should ensure that the Socket.io client and server versions are compatible. Mismatched versions can lead to unexpected behavior, including issues with emitting events. Fun fact, did you know that Socket.io was created to make real-time web applications easier? It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can have its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that in Electron, the main process can use Node integration, while the renderer process has it turned off by default. To make Socket.io work, you should place your client code in a preload script and load it using the Web Preferences option in Browser window. In Preload.js, you can initialize Socket.io and handle events like welcome and connect. This setup allows your Electron app to emit messages successfully. Additionally, ensure your content security policy allows WebSocket connections. For localhost, add specific meta tags in your index.html. Finally, check your firewall settings to allow incoming and outgoing access for Node.js and the relevant port. Here's the tip I promised. Always log your events. This simple practice can help you trace where things might be going wrong in your Socket.io communication. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your Electron app emitting messages in no time. Remember, debugging is part of the process. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Socket.io.